The value ladder. If you are looking for more results, you gotta learn and implement the value ladder the right way. A lot of people don't understand the concept or think that they do, but then when it's time to actually develop it and put it into practice, they don't get the results they want because they are not applying the right way. So let's go ahead and analyze it right away. Where everything starts is the customer journey. There's many 4 levels on the customer journey. There's the awareness level where a lot of your audience will be cold. They are not going to know you. They are not going to know your offers. They are not going to see if you have value or not. So there's a huge opportunity to grow an audience here. A lot of people, and pretty much like around 85% of your audience, will always be cold. So you need to have a strategy for the awareness stage where you are going to give high value and no entry resistance. We're going to get more details into this later on in the course. Then we have the interest and desire phase. They already know you. They're trying to see how good you are as far as technicality and stuff like that. Now, 10% of your audience will be interested in knowing your potential. Share an impulsive purchase offer, just like a low ticket, where you provide a lot of great value and a first step into your world. This is very, very important. A lot of people don't really focus on this, always want to go for high ticket offers right away. It should be that way, like you should build your high ticket offer first, but then you need to have a strategy for your awareness stage and interest and desire. If you don't, you're going to lose a lot of potential right there. Then we have the action phase. Around 5% of your audience will want to work with you personally. So create a high value and high ticket offer so that you can help them get the best results possible. Now, this is where it all starts, but you got to help your audience in different ways because they are in different stages and have different needs, right? I'm going to repeat this because it's very, very important. Help your audience in different ways because they are in different stages and they have different needs. Now, in order for you to do that, we have to have a few things in mind. But here's the secret. It's not just about the value ladder. It's about the customer journey. A lot of people don't talk about the customer journey. The journey needs to be absolutely important for them and needs to make absolute sense for them as well. I'm going to give you a few examples. So for example, here in the journey 1 right here, we have an ebook, how to build funnels, a course, how to do affiliate marketing, and then a coaching program on how to do SEO. Although there's a value ladder here, the customer journey doesn't make sense for the biggest audience because it might help a few people that are extremely, specifically interested in these topics, but the reality is most of your audience will not be interested in growing into this value ladder. So every step that you go through, your audience is right here and sees this offer. They want to be part of it because they are going to see this other offer and they need to want to be part of it and so on and so forth. So if they are right there on the ebook and they see this offer and they don't really like it, they are not going to grow in your value ladder. But let's examine the journey too. We start with an ebook, funnel theory, then a course, how to design funnels, and then we have a coaching on how to increase funnel conversion. That makes a lot more sense because imagine this. We have a ladder, right? We are here. Ebook theory, we see the other, which is how to design funnels. Of course, after we know the theory, we need to design funnels. And then we see how to increase funnel conversions. Of course, it's a no-brainer because after we know how to design funnels, we need to know how to improve and get better results from them. But then we have a mini course, funnel theory. Then we have a course, the complete funnel course. And then we have how to grow a 10K per month funnel business. This makes a lot of sense. For what type of audience? For those that want to grow a business and make money as a funnel builder. So funnel theory is very, very important. They're going to watch it. They're going to feel like this is amazing. Then they're going to see the next one, which is the course, the complete funnel course. They want to go ahead and analyze it and, learn as much as they can. And then they're going to see the coaching, how to grow and make money with that business. They're going to feel like this is exactly made for me. Each step allows the customer to grow. This is very, very important. Now, how do you price your offers? There's various stages. There's free, low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket, as you probably already know. So for free, there's a few suggestions here. We have courses, ebooks, quizzes, masterclasses, webinars, discovery calls, challenges, and a lot more. And all that stuff is going to be free. Then we're going to have low ticket. Usually it's like courses, ebooks, memberships, challenges, resources, kits, templates, etc. And you can price it from $7, $37, $97 as a low ticket. Then we have mid-ticket, where we have similar things as well. We started introducing the group coaching, the workshops, the audits, the events, right? But then we have a $97 to $497 offer right there. Then we have a high ticket. High ticket usually is coaching, and then for your services, we can have around $1,000 all the way up to $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. I mean, the sky is the limit, really. So this is just a way that you can think about how you can price your offers, so then you can go to the next step. Now, remember, the value ladder helps your audience move forward. You gotta have a strategy for each step of the journey so that you'll grow faster. This is about the value ladder. Now keep watching the video, because right after you're gonna watch videos that are very, very important, such as strategies and other funnel building videos as well. Keep watching the course.